Hi friends, welcome to my channel. You are watching Erola Suresh YouTube channel. Friends, in this video let's see the important bits asked in previous NEET examinations, and this is the continuation video and third video from the topic biological classification. And before that, if you are the new visitor to my channel, don't forget to subscribe first of all. After subscription, please share this video to your friends and give your valuable comment and support by giving like also. Okay, let's look at the topic directly. In amoeba and paramecium, osmoregulation occurs through pseudopodia, nucleus, contractile vacuole, and general surface. Answer is option C, contractile vacuole. Plasmodium, the malarial parasite, belongs to class Sarcodina, Ciliata, Sporozoa, Dinophyceae. Now the answer is option C, Sporozoa. Which is true about Trypanosoma? Polymorphic, monogenetic, facultative parasite, non-pathogenic. Answer is option A, polymorphic. Genetic information in paramecium is contained in micronucleus, macronucleus, both micronucleus and macronucleus, and mitochondria. Answer is option A, micronucleus. Trypanosoma belongs to class Sarcodina, Juflagellata, Ciliata, Sporozoa. Answer is option B, Juflagellata. Which of the following statement is incorrect? Yeasts have filamentous bodies with long thread-like hyphae. Morels and truffles are edible delicacies. Claviceps is a source of many alkaloids and LSD. Conidia are produced exogenously and ascospores endogenously. Now the correct answer is option A. Yeasts have filamentous bodies with long thread-like hyphae. Match column 1 with column 2. Saprophyte, parasite, lichens and mycorrhiza were given in column 1, and column 2 some options were given. Now the correct answer is option A. That means saprophyte, decomposition of dead organic materials, and parasite, living on living plants or animals, and lichens, symbiotic association of algae and fungi, and mycorrhiza, symbiotic association of fungi with plant roots. Which among the following is not a prokaryote? Saccharomyces, Mycobacterium, Nostoc, and Oscillatoria. Now the answer is option A, Saccharomyces. After karyogamy followed by meiosis, spores are produced exogenously in Neurospora, Alternaria, Agaricus, and Saccharomyces. The answer is option C, Agaricus. Which one of the following is wrong for fungi? They are eukaryotic. All fungi possess a purely cellulosic cell wall. They are heterotrophic. They are both unicellular and multicellular. The answer is option B. All fungi possess a purely cellulosic cell wall. Which one of the following statements is wrong? Eubacteria are also called false bacteria. Phycomycetes are also called algal fungi. Cyanobacteria are also called blue-green algae. Golden algae are also called desmids. Now the answer is option A. Eubacteria are also called false bacteria. One of the major components of cell wall of most fungi is cellulose, hemicellulose, chitin, and peptidoglycan. The answer is option C, chitin. The imperfect fungi which are decomposers of litter and help in mineral cycling belong to Phycomycetes, Ascomycetes, and Deuteromycetes and Basidiomycetes. The answer is option C, Deuteromycetes. Choose the wrong statement. Morels and truffles are poisonous mushrooms. Yeast is unicellular and useful in fermentation. Penicillium is multicellular and produces antibiotics. Neurospora is used in the study of biochemical genetics. The answer is option A. Morels and truffles are poisonous mushrooms. Which one of the following matches is correct? Mucor, reproduction by conjugation, Ascomycetes. Agaricus, parasitic fungus, Basidiomycetes. And Phytophthora, aseptate mycelium, Basidiomycetes. And Alternaria, sexual reproduction absent, Deuteromycetes. Now the answer is option D, Alternaria, sexual reproduction absent, Deuteromycetes. Which one of the following fungi contains hallucinogens? Markella esculenta, Amanita muscaria, Neurospora species, and Eustilago species. The answer is option B, Amanita muscaria. Which one of the following is true for fungi? They lack a rigid cell wall, they are heterotrophs, they lack nuclear membrane, they are phagotrophs. Now the answer is option B, they are heterotrophs. The pathogen Microsporum responsible for ringworm disease in humans belongs to the same kingdom of organisms as that of Taenia, a tapeworm, Eukarya, a filarial worm, Rhizopus, a mold, Ascaris, a roundworm. The answer is option C, Rhizopus, a mold. Single-celled eukaryotes are included in Protista, fungi, Archaea, and Monera. The answer is option A, Protista. Membrane-bound organelles are absent in Saccharomyces, Streptococcus, Chlamydomonas, and Plasmodium. Answer is option B, Streptococcus. Black rust of wheat is caused by Alternaria solani, Eustilago nuda, and Puccinia graminis, Xanthomonas oryzae. Answer is option C, Puccinia graminis. Which one is the wrong pairing for the disease and its causal organism? Black rust of wheat, Puccinia graminis, loose smut of wheat, Eustilago nuda, root knot of vegetables, Melioidogean species, late blight of potato, Alternaria solani. Now the correct answer is option D, late blight of potato, Alternaria solani. Which pair of the following belongs to Basidiomycetes? Puffballs and claviceps, Peziza and stinkhorns, Markella and mushrooms, bird's nest fungi and puffballs. Answer is option D, bird's nest fungi and puffballs. Which of the following environmental conditions are essential for optimum growth of mucor on a piece of bread? Temperature of about 25 degrees of Celsius, temperature of about 5 degrees of Celsius, and relative humidity of about 95%, a shady place, a brightly illuminated place. Choose the answer from the following options. Now the correct answer is option C, A and D and E only correct. That means temperature of about 25 degrees of Celsius and relative humidity of about 95% and a brightly illuminated place. These are the essential environmental conditions for optimum growth of mucor. Which fungal disease spreads by seed and flowers? Loose smut of wheat, corn smut, covered smut of barley, soft rot of potato. Now the answer is option A, loose smut of wheat. Which of the following secretes toxins during storage conditions of croplands? Aspergillus, Choledotrichum, Fusarium, and none. The answer is option A, Aspergillus. Black rust of wheat is caused by Puccinia, Eustilago, Albugo, and Phytophthora. Puccinia, Eustilago, Albugo, and Phytophthora. Correct answer is option A, Puccinia. Columella is a specialized structure found in the sporangium of Spirogyra, Ulothrix, Rhizopus, none of these. Answer is option C, Rhizopus. Puccinia forms Eurydia and Tilia on wheat leaves, Esia on barberry leaves, and Pycnia on barberry leaves, Esia on wheat leaves. Now the correct answer is option A, Tilia on wheat leaves. Mycorrhiza is correctly described as parasitic association between roots and some fungi, symbiotic relationship between fungi and roots of some higher plants, symbiosis of algae and fungi, relation of ants with the stem of some trees. Answer is option B, symbiotic relationship between fungi and roots of some higher plants. Black rust of wheat is fungal disease caused by Albugo candida, Puccinia graminis tritici, Melampsora linei, Claviceps purpurea. Now the correct answer is option B, Puccinia graminis tritici. Select the wrong statement. Cell wall is present in the members of fungi and plantae. Mushrooms belong to Basidiomycetes. Pseudopodia are locomotory and feeding structures in sporozoans. Mitochondria are the powerhouse of the cell in all kingdoms except Monera. The correct answer is option C. Pseudopodia are locomotory and feeding structures in sporozoans. Okay friends, remaining questions from the same topic are provided in next video. Until then, keep watching my channel. Thank you very much for watching.